Hi, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 3, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button, like this. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, like this. You can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here at the top of the screen on the home screen on the watch face. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon again, like this. You can also press and hold on this icon to open override Do Not Disturb mode settings. Basically, you can here enable some features that will override the Do Not Disturb mode, and you will get the vibration and sound notifications from them, like calls from favorites, reminders, events, and alarms. And we can enable them by tapping on the switches next to them. Okay, once you're done, simply press the upper button to go back. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.